Mabuhay Philippines and hello world! Kung hey fatchoy everyone! Such a calm, chilly Saturday evening it is. Let's make this evening a little bit warmer and more fun with tonight's coffee session and chikahan. Tonight, I am coming to you live from the Magis 99 Center at the Asia's Latin City, mi querido Ciudad de Zamboanga, Philippines. ¿Qué tal ustedes, mga querido vivientes de aton? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Live din po tayo sa Facebook so you can chime in sa ating mga comment section for some remarks at para sa inyong mga greetings at pa-shout out. I'm your host, Christopher Acapulco Laque, Tofi for short, a plantito engineer at your service. I'm a true blue-blooded alumnus from batch 1999 of the Ateneo de Zamboanga University High School. So tonight, join us in our 45-minute Fun Chica program as we cruise down memory lane with one of my high school batchmates in tonight's talk show. We'll talk about the different colors of high school life circa 1995 to 1999. We'll also reminisce the fond memories, the katuwaan and challenges, the ups and downs, and perhaps some kilig and a bit of embarrassing moments and whatnot in high school. O diba? Kompleto rekado po tayo ngayon sa ating panimulang episode, ladies and gentlemen. Otra vez, buenas noches y bienvenidos a todos. This is the premiere broadcast of Coffee with Tofi, only here at the Magis 99 channel. Pero bago ako makalimutan, I'd like to say thank you to Kyle's Cakes, Crafts at iba pa for this fancy mug with the wooden lid. Malakas makasosyal, di ba? I'd also like to thank Sed Sabala and Jyoti Santa Teresa for the awesome Coffee with Tofi logo. And of course, our gratitude to Win Bubble Tea Cafe for our masarap na kape ngayong gabi. And now, sit back and relax, ladies and gentlemen, as I take pride to introduce to you our guest for tonight's episode. So our special guest hails from Magis 1999, batch of the Ateneo de Zamboanga University High School. She was our Council of Leaders President in 1999 and a recipient of the prestigious Alfonso Yuchenko Award for her admirable leadership in high school. She also finished her Bachelor of Science degree in Mass Communication at the same university in March 2003. She also completed her PAC-RIM summer seminar in the U.S. Studies Executive Program at the University of California in July 2007. She also earned her academic units in Master in Public Administration at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University and in Master in Development Communication at the University of the Philippines. She was the Legislative Staff Officer at the Office of the Congresswoman Maria Isabel Climaco from February 2008 to June 2013. From July 2013 to September 2017, she held the Executive Assistant 2 position at the Office of the City Mayor of the City Government of Zamboanga. At present, she is the head instructor franchisee of Kumongiwan Zamboanga City Center and a franchisee of Espresso Nail Spa Talon-Talon branch. She is naturally born leader and a passionate educator by heart, ladies and gentlemen. Please help me welcome our batch president, the Wonder Woman of all times, the illustrious Miss Sylvie Jasmine Banjola Agravante.
Thank you very much, Engineer Tofi. Sobra ka haba ng introduction para ako.
Yeah, hi Sils! Welcome finally to Coffee with Tofi.
Yes, thank you
It's
so
been a while.
much. I have now.
Yeah.
It's so nice pala to be a guest in this show kasi you have this bag and the coffee also. Thank you very much for sending, di ba? Thank you so
the
much.
coffee is courtesy of Win Bubble Tea Cafe here at Kawa Kawa, San Jose.
Thank you, Win Cafe. Salamat po.
So are you ready for our coffee session and chikahan night, Sales?
Yes, Engineer Toph.
Are you
It
ready?
is, I am ready.
Okay. We
I'm
are
just
glad
very
to have
scared with your questions.
we are glad to have you in our show tonight as our audience from Boomers One Generation to Generation Alpha may glean bits of inspiration from your array of experience and successful stories. Kaya we are all excited. So, Sales, let's start it. Okay. From what school did you finish your primary education before stepping into the Ateneo de Zamboanga High School?
I came from Immaculate Conception Elementary School. Si Sabe ustedes onde el Cathedral ara, amo se el Gimio Escuela desde antes, no? We have a building there just beside the old cathedral, and that's where I had my elementary. So I graduated from ISIS. Yes.
So it's like the kapitbahay of the Ateneo de Zamboanga, right? I
Yes,
remember that.
that's right. Because years back kasi Engineer Tove, if you want to be in Ateneo and you're a girl, you have to go through kindergarten all over again. So I
Oh,
already
really?
finished so I already finished kindergarten in Dominican. And so when my parents wanted me sana to be in grade 1 in Ateneo, hindi gali kel pwede during that time. So, parang hindi
Mm-hmm.
ayaw man go back again for kindergarten. So, I went to ISIS. So, that's how the story came to be. So, I'm a graduate of ISIS.
Just like my sister also. So was it your personal choice to enroll at the Ateneo Sales or what your parents' choice and what led you to such a prudent decision?
Ah, grabe no, prudent decision gayot. Hindi,
Of course, it's
ah,
always a good decision to choose Ateneo, right?
so it was actually my parents, but at the same time, I think no, because we are neighbors, we've seen also na parang during that time when you come from ISIS, we are nearest to Ateneos, parang the next best step is to go to the neighbor. So it was an automatic thing
Correct.
no, that came to be kasi we are so near. And then my brother was already in Ateneo, so automatically I have to join him already. So yun.
Okay, awesome. So let us walk through the high school experience, Sales, no? So there are memories that I could no longer recall in high school, partly because of my brain fog. So to your recollection, how are we all divided into five sections during the first day of school? I do not remember at all.
Um, Nakalbad daw Harry Potter, no? When we have a hat, but it didn't happen.
Oh, Uncle Ha?
During, oo, diba? We were actually called, no? Our names, we were all lined up in the field, diba? Sa
Oh, yeah,
quadrangle.
quadrangle. Yeah, I remember.
And
Okay, okay.
then you just have to listen to your name. And then there are corresponding sections. So you just need to go to the sections, no? There are assigned sections, and then they will call you, and then you follow and you go up already the high school
Okay.
building. That was how we were actually
Mm-hmm.
classified into groups during that time.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what were your first impressions of your classmates and those from the other classes?
Siyempre, makamiedo because at one point I felt that to be coming in and you are from a different school, normal, no, that you will get, you are fearful, baka may kustumbre dito yung mga classmate, mga suplado, di ba? Amo maghahagad SM.
Yeah.
But, in the class that I belong, poko bakil mga salawayon bata. So parang,
Mucho
oh
ba
my
galit ka
God.
sa Lawain that
No,
time?
mucho, no? The Gonzaga was, my section was Aloysius Gonzaga. So, talagang marami kaming mga salawayon, alam mga boys. So, oh my, ang kigatiyo. And then, the first person that I sat with was Alexandra Atega, no? Si Sandra Atega.
Oh, the model.
The
Okay, batchmate.
model, very tall, slender, and then supladita. So when I asked her na parang, aki ba aki ba El Gonzaga? Habla pa ele kumigo, siguro. kay Akimanyo Jacinta. O di ba, Tera ang lola mo.
Siguro.
So, oo. Kasi ko, Sinta lang tamen, sabi lang man sa
Mm-mm.
Lego, ang sinagad ele. But, you know, siguro ang malangad ka mga first few days, no? And the first few months na adjustment kita kasi we come from different backgrounds. So, ayun, I really felt a little bit scared of the
Correct.
new classmates kasi different man gayon, no? And you know that when the students come from Ateneo Grade School, otro kagkamen sila. So kita pa lang daan, we are not from the Ateneo Grade School, we really have a different kind of akal ba, pensamiento, kimodo ka sa sila kanamon man kwento, social man esto, sabi ba tukal mga ensina. So
Ay,
I felt
that is
that.
so true.
I felt that gayon, Engineer
Yeah,
Tove. So that
me
really,
actually, I came from a public school, so I also felt the same thing.
that's
But things
right.
turned different when I was there already in the system.
That's right. That's right.
So, do you recall how many you were in Gonzaga class?
Well, when we
Kung ba sila?
started off,
45?
yeah, when we started off, we were around 45. That's right. We were around
Mhm.
45 around that time. There were a lot of transferees also during that time. So it was really, I know, it was a big class, no? And then I think because majority talaga of our classmates are all boys, di ba? Majority of the classmates are
Mhm.
boys. Poko lang kat ang mga girls. Si Chanet, 25 boys, 20 lang ang girls. I think it has been our system yata talaga ng engineer during the time. Mas manadagat
Mhm.
el boys during the time kanaton. So Ansina, we really had plenty of boys during the time. And sa lawayon ang mga boys, no? Very sa lawayon ka. At least in my class. So that
Naturally,
was
sa
my
lawa yung galigat ang boys. Mhm.
yeah, Ben Salawayon. At one point, very unruly. At one point, we were told na parang we are really parang the worst class kay Ben Alboroto. Na, but you know, when you come to meet new people, I think it was more of excitement, no? More than
Mhm.
anything. Oh, Akel.
So, how easy did you adapt in your class back then? Kasi di ba, with mucho kita of different backgrounds, pakilahit to yan, ano yan, adjust.
First year was difficult. It
Going
was
slow.
difficult.
Oh,
It, well, at one point, you try to you try so hard, no? I think it is really hindi naman siya parang when you see yung parang um, you want to really fit in. Hindi naman. During that time, it was not like that. It was more
mhm.
of your classmates in grade school are not with you anymore. So if you have classmates from the previous school, tapos classmate ustedes ali-area na Ateneo, you'd really try to, tag with them all the time that you have. Pero I think yun, the openness when we were in high school kasi um we were taught to toughen up, 'di ba? Hindi kasi
Yeah,
siya, I don't know, it must be generational. We really were taught na parang, na kaya naman entra ali eskwela, no reklama, 'di ba? So, it was more
correct,
of, 'di ba? It was more of us, may choice. We really need to, hindi agad kami pwede aki man cry aki, or hindi kita pwede man arte-arte na
correct.
mayores. So, we really we thrive because we needed to. It was one.
Yeah, we need
Number
also to
two,
blend in.
yeah, and number two, we just needed to understand. Kasi I think this has to do with so many of us, no, from a different school coming into the Ateneo. There is much expectation for us to understand the culture, no? So it was
Correct,
really us trying to understand, adjust to the culture, but at the same time, trying also to see what we are made of, di ba? Kasi sa Badimia values ta entra na Ateneo. Okay? Kasi, syempre, growing up, hindi man kita equal values. So, it was also a reference point if I was taught well at home, no? Si Chana Bayoya, entende in my grade school. I think so that was one of the things that are very important during that time. Mm-mm.
wow. So let's see, would you be able to recall our five sections and ang atong mga respective class names? Kay difícil kay 2 years ago, 25 years ago, right?
Hala,
So let's see if
grabe.
you could really remember LD aton mga class names. Kay
Yes.
Yodol, I think I remembered it siguro recently lang, kompleto lang ngayon when I started to formulate questions for you.
Okay, sige, let's do this together. Berkmans,
Go ahead.
Berkmans Mohicans, di ba? Correct ba?
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Canisius Vikings. Canisius Vikings. Tama.
You're right.
Siyempre, Gonzaga Pirates. Tama ba?
That's your
Okay.
class.
Yes.
Ika-tres ka, Kel.
Okay. Cosca Devils. Tama ba, Cosca? Correct ba, no? Cosca
With
Devils.
Z.
Tama ba?
Oh,
With a
Z
Z.
kang napunta.
Oh,
Hindi
di
ka
ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka as Devils. Okay. And then,
Yeah.
syempre, Columbia Ducks.
Oo nga. Tang-wonder ka yung parte ka ducks kanina talaga.
Kasi diba, kuwan kaya, Kel. Akal ba movie? Before, di ba,
Really?
there's a movie. Akal ba, ako sa bakit? Hala, sabi ko, basta it was a
Na,
movie
you'll be there
before
kita.
na mirayagad to sit
35
during that
years
time.
ago, no?
O debe kayo at di aton mga classmates and batchmates man, ayuda ka natin man remember porque patani,
Yes.
Kel.
So,
Okay.
so during your stint as the Council of Leaders President, takor dagat sa kami. So what transformative changes were realized for our alma mater and for the students back then?
Actually, it was more of a collaborative work. No, during back then, it was more of the athletes not being able to get so much attention, support. Um, it's more of yung people who are not getting so much support, those who are failing, no, in
Mm-hmm.
classes. We were looking more on the training, no. It was not more on physical structure, no. Of course, there were physical projects, but it was more on formative formation, as a mga di aton additional mga remediation classes before that was that were happening during the time. Kasi of course we have to be very concerned. There are a lot of people also who are not thriving well academically. So during that time
But only
was
few. Kung ba sila that
very
time? Or
very dyan a handful, no, because there are also from different sections, no, and different year levels. It was not just about
Mhm.
the graduating classes or ano, there are actually those in the lower ranks, so it was more on the formative, no, side rather than the physical. Of course there are ako mga di atong cleanup drives, talyakel, di aton mga facilities and sina that we were able to support. But it was more on the formation also of our fellow students during that
it's
time.
a great accomplishment, gayon, with
Ni
balik. So to give our Generation Z and Generation Alpha, the aton audience akil Tamira Ara, an idea, how was it like being a student in the late 90s?
talagang talagang pahirapan. I don't know, I can speak for myself
Di
siguro
man
or
gani
for
atin pagka,
or
ano,
for or for you
estudyante.
siguro, no, Engineer Dolph, kasi no, we had plenty. Well, especially on the on our latter years, there were so many paperwork. As in, no, there
Term
were
papers,
term
research paper.
all of them, no, and then teachers before are very strict with deadlines, no. We cannot, di ba? We cannot ask for
Of course.
extension, di ba? So, that was the kind of discipline. If taabla before, di ba? If we are told to come because our defense schedule is at 6 o'clock, we have to come at 6 o'clock in the morning. Pero
Mhm.
kasi there is a different way of doing things. No, in school, it has already been factored in. You just come at 8 o'clock or 9, you schedule classes at the time because that's the time that we become very up and about, working el brain. Pero kita no, kitain sina. The rule of the teacher is the ultimate rule. You cannot bend it,
Whi-
di ba?
yeah, which is really good. Kay actually muchugat ka nato niya kay da disiplinaw akil
Correct.
mga hindi kaya tan meet deadline dapat man meet get deadline and the bunch of term papers that we had and research paper taas kita they were really helpful because right after high school in college bombarded kami kita with the same requirements and in my case when I stepped into WIMSU I was exposed naman na Ateneo with a lot of paperworks like that. So, kaya kumigo medyo easy para mag-adjust. So, very
That's
good. And
correct.
then, yeah, that's correct. Easier ya lang kaysa nuay kita background pakilaya as Encina and then when we go to college and then we start, alya pa kita ta-aprende kilaya as sa mga papel, right? So, it's really
Correct.
good to have graduated from the Ateneo High School. I'm really happy.
Yes, kasi ah, we learn how to be under pressure, no? Doon ay man
Correct.
ka kita, I don't know, kosa ba kita, are we made of steel? I don't know, but we really, diba? But we really,
Kind of
really,
skill.
sabi yun, kasi parang ablagan niyo, was everyone hard on and harsh on us? Kasi if you come to think of it, kaprikuragat kita, we really tried to survive, even if it was so difficult, no, during that time. It
Mhm.
was really difficult. Pero the discipline to be able to have your yellow paper stamp even 12 noon. Yeah, sabi kita pakimodo, man divide di aton ora, anto minuto ko may lunch. And then kore na faculty workroom to get the stamp kasi otherwise na trash can niya dito yung papel. Di ba? Ang sinakil. So, but,
Yung
you know,
sino, been funny kasi, and ante patutan kwento about the term paper, the deadline. We're talking about one person, right? Our
yes,
favorite English teacher.
yes. But
Which I hope kada kada di aton, uno di aton guest in the near future. Why not?
yes, 'di ba? Oh, we will reveal that kasi baka man ask to kung iko Lego. But
Yes, later on.
such discipline made us into the kind of person that we are. Pare sugaha, yan
Exactly.
time bound kita, akal ba, we really respect sa mga ansina klase, mga deadlines. We really work hard. We try to manage our time despite very hectic schedule kasi very, very tough during that time. So, si hindi
Mhm.
to wise na dito yung ora, doon man kakita time akal man pa cute-cute man pa, lang
Yeah.
ba, chill-chill? I really did not know that word as a
Word
chill-chill.
antes. So the time management was really essential at that time.
Yes, that's right.
So,
Oo.
well, so Sils, I have a question. So, what was your favorite place in our alma mater before and why? Siya na ba to favorite lugar, Alia?
Kami, di amon class sa tambayan, we call that
Kasi
tambayan. That's
Chene.
Yeah, oo. Our tambayan is at the back of the principal's office, no? As in
Oh,
not
okay.
parking area liara but there are benches before there. Alias si kami tasinta, na siya na best, tadul ni gaha si Sir Oka, no? Si Sir Oscar Carsada was our principal back then. Alboroto ga kami siya ni best, tapatigat ka na mo regan niya.
So, taga matagil atensyon, no?
Oo, parang,
Makahuya.
alboroto. Pero kasi that was the place na pwede to sintat, mapuno, no? Ben mapuno gat kita alya. So, kere-kere gat ka kami kay hindi ben kaliente, and then ben gayot el pono alya the shade, no? Really make sure yung mga chanikita first assignment on the first period the afternoon pwede pagkat alya mang kopyahan assignment.
Ay,
And
nako.
na el uno
Mabugat
lang siya
albida di aton.
Sina pag del assignment di aton pag no sabi pa kimodo man solve. So that's where no
For our
assignments
barkada, I remember, mahilig kami tambay na LRC. So it's where we
oh
eat our lunch, I guess. Hindi. Na
yes
classroom we can eat lunch, but we stay at the LRC, at Kalabaco na lobby. It's where we
oh
study. We get to do our assignments and prepare for our examination in the afternoon. So I remember that
mm-hmm.
day. So that would be my most favorite.
Favorite place.
Yes, favorite gayon. And then, so have you encountered a particular academic challenge during those years, Sales? And
Oh,
if
well,
so, what was it and how did you handle it?
manada academic challenge because the academic challenges definition di ato number one, a lot of paper to be done. No? Number two, I am not a math wizard. So math was trigonometry was a challenge, I must admit. Um, but going through all those to even failing some exams allowed you to see na
Yeah,
parang no you get to see kasi um si hasta onde ba yota pwede man kasaba man weigh dim yourself, no? And man measure dim yourself. So I realized during the time na parang when failures come, it's not the end of the world, no? Um,
exactly.
I realized that in high school, no? Kasi in grade school, we really feel na parang, man-excel gayat kita. Na parang, the measure of my being a person is, dapat honor, ki-honor, ki-honor, ito. But I realized in high school, hindi galikil. Because I've met people who are not very intelligent, but were very good persons. So, to size up a person pala is not about the grades. And I learned that so clearly when I was in high school because I met a lot of people who changed my perception of what success is, of what victory
Mhm.
is all about. And I've seen that in so many of these people na hindi naman gali tumuri, no? Si yaaba dito yung grade. Hindi naman gali. Or hindi naman gali, Kel, equivalent to becoming, you know, will
Successful in
define
the
you ba?
future.
Yeah, that will define you. So, I am very blessed that I have seen that in the people that became my classmates, no? They have seen me
Mhm.
they gave me the reality of life, and they made
Mhm.
me realize na hindi gali, Kel. It's not the measure. It's marunong ka bang makipagkapwa-tao. Isa yun. No, very important, Kel. Because, when I was growing up, I didn't know na there are people pala who are not complete in their families. Yeah, he called me naive when I got into
Mhm.
Ateneo. I never knew na, pwede palang hindi kompleto yung family, no? And then
Mhm.
you see them regress in their grades kasi ganito pala nagkaroon ng problema sa family. I never had that in my mind back in grade school, but I really saw them when I was in high school and how tormenting it was for some of my classmates who underwent those problems. And I realized na beside the grade, kailangan pala marunong ako makipagkapwa-tao. That
Correct.
was really an opener. So, yeah.
That is really an amazing realization, Sales. But let's accept the fact that we had parents talaga who are
Yeah.
really who are pressuring the children to excel in the academics. I have known of some classmates, they mentioned chemical sila, like they got 94 in their first, what you call that, first grading. Is that first
Mm.
grading? Tama ba? Second
Yes, yes.
grading, pwede lang sila saka 92. So for
Mm.
their parents, medyo disappointment siya kaya bahal grade. But actually, 92 is still a high mark, right? So maybe the reason why we pressure ourselves to, do extra mile effort to tap in the, exam or to
Mm.
get high grades, it's because of our parents. Kaya
Yeah,
get sila
yeah.
feeling na proud sila of us, di ba, all the time.
Yes, that's right.
Which
Tamira
is
yato
sometimes
ay.
helps natin kay they're like our positive motivation to perform well
Yeah,
in school.
that's very
Because
true.
at Ateneo, actually being caro tuition, right? So not all
Yeah.
can afford the tuition. So, well, the only way we could, give back to our parents is si kita buena grades, right? Correct ba,
Yeah,
Kay?
that's right. That's right. let's not undermine that. Very good,
Mhm.
Kel. No, at the end of the day, we would still make sure that we are we still excel kasi ablagana kita if we are students we're expected to study, no? So amo gad
Correct.
Kel adi aton. But yun nga, just wanting also to let other children know, no, na yeah, we understood our lives were tough during the time because we needed to excel, but at the same time, no, we want them to also know that, hey, we also know that grades are not just, our measure for being good. So, akel, mira to engineer to, ben manada gayot ka natin comments.
Actually, ara lang gayon siya pwede mag-open to neste. So, I'd like to give a shout out to our batchmate, Christina Almasan, season from Cebu. Buenas, team. Uy, si
Yes.
Attorney Aubrey is also online. Revelation man este Mitch. Kung sa sitang kwento, Kitty Mitch, ha? Oh, si Ram Lopez Vito Bukoy. Hello. Ketal to Ram. Michelle Esteban is also online. And hi, Rocky. Si Keita Rosa Apostol is also watching
Mira to,
us.
abla pa si Reggie, please send Gcash for donation.
O hala, and then sa todo mga GCash collection di aton, ginda si Alena di aton batch, right? So, bale si,
Correct.
kasi hindi muli si Abaha grade, pero kambya daw kumigo eskwela. Oh, that was the pressure. So
Yes,
that's
that was
why,
the
you see, I
yes.
told you, at parents can actually, bingrande kasi sila factor para ka na tumang perform good na di aton eskwela.
Correct. Kabarben manada akita ablat. Siya na daw mga revelations along the way. Kabar, taas na daw kanaton. Kung sa ba estet, tan kopyahan gali kita na math. Tan kopyahan na to.
Lego, malibil kita ko next, ha?
Amoy.
Kay so far ako
Okay.
dayo, dol may magayo kopya-kopya ba yo? I don't know. Kasi dol hindi mi forte kopya-kopya ta chinimido gayon.
Ayo, ta siya na yung miedo. Hasta assignment lang yung kopya. Pero na-test, ta siya na gani si
Pwede
miedo.
assignment or test,
Hindi
hindi
ka
gud
joke
pwede.
kaya. Kasi makamiedo, di ba? Ay,
Correct
senyor.
skills. So can you
Okay.
discuss a project or a paper that you were particularly proud of during your time?
Ay, senyor. Kasi ba, kasi di ba, El, di aton, ben bright lang kayo at di aton way of doing papers before. Kasi di ba, yaabla ka naton suggestion. Dito yung term paper should be able to cover dito yung Christian morality, di ba? Dito yung Christian morality research para
Mhm.
hindi ayaban di pisil. So for me, child abuse as a yung term paper. Mina to ha, child abuse. Mangga
Oh,
namin yung
really?
abuse.
Okay.
Yung mga tamen yung abuse, but child abuse. So it was difficult at one point kasi 'di ba benjutay lang man di aton library antes engineer. Oy, 'di ba you remember that one? Akil lang gayot
Mhm.
benjutay. So we were given access alyan na LRC. Pero akal ba, manada kumigot na pregunta, Hoy, Sylvie, por que man sa child abuse dito term paper? Abuse ba bo? Ansi na kayo ang mga question. Na pero these things, this paper, no, up until yan college, this made me realize a lot of things ba. I think this is why very geared din yung work ara with children, no? And
Children, yes.
in handling children because I learned that in the paper. No, in the paper. Parang it was more on principles and all. But the execution, I didn't know that I'll be doing child care and rearing, even be teaching young
Mhm.
kids right now. So it was really helpful. I didn't know that I'll be using them. Now I remember one Ara si Pikuraga niyo man remember these papers. I never realized that siya nagalalay purpose for me. Nako saya lang kaldi mo yung uno tamen classmate who had who had a term paper about dinosaur na ko saya lang kill. So, mga
You
ansina
see,
classes to. Ansina classes stories.
skills. Ben
Yes.
alboroto gadi aton mga batchmates akira di aton
Nagani.
di aton live. Mira gadi shout out
Yes.
to Tofi Christopher Lucky. Please ask the tanong ng bayan. Ano ba tong tanong ng bayan? Teka, nakaambag ba ang love life, Silves? That's the question from the taong bayan. So, answer that.
Ang
That's
love
a
life
very
ay,
interesting topic.
Diyos
Or would you
ko.
want to discuss later?
Sige, let's
To
post that
keep
for
them,
later.
yeah.
Para hindi ostede
Guys,
sali.
pasensya ka guys. Nesesita kita man post anay SL answer the essay question later ya guys. Na later part of our show para mas exciting. Di ba, Sales?
Correct. Kasi baka ultimora man live ya sila di aton show. Kay kabaw ya
Si
ani
attorney
quest.
Ann siya, pabor daw sa manpin question. Please no escapa na question. Ha ha ha. The audience wanna know. Later,
Senyor.
definitely mag-discuss kita ko nese.
Correct.
Tintin, pati si Aubrey, attorney Aubrey. So
Yes.
sales, sino pa question? Actually, I have prepared, quanto Kel? 60 questions in total.
Namiragat sa
Doon kung
makamanya na ya
mansina.
ka dormi.
So, open sa pata ulit. So, who among our high school teachers, sales, had the most impact on you? And what would you remember about him or her?
Ako
Siya na ba?
siguro very impactful kumigo in terms of subject matter si Ma'am V, no? Si Ma'am V. Kasi si
Are we
Ma'am
talking
Ruth
about
Besagas.
Sagas?
Si Ma'am
Okay.
Ruth Besagas. Impactful in terms of subject matter because grabe el sense of discipline. No? Grabe ang disiplina na inculcate, no? I cannot anymore express further than that. I know everyone share the same sentiment, no? Um, Even up to now, those words na she will remind me, pakimodo man kwento, kemodo words to use. I have remembered that by heart, gayon. Kasi whatever she said, parang it was a Bible to me, no? Kaya, grabe.
Yeah.
And another person, not in the teaching staff, but who very impactful also to me was si Sir Greg, the late Mr. Greg Sanchez. For
Oh,
me,
Sister
our
Sanchez, yeah.
prefect, no, our prefect.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi for me, very, si Sir Greg he tried to understand, despite siguro our generation gap, na? He really tried to understand the intricacies of dealing with teenagers. So, if I will go and try to fit into that shoes, though hindi gat iyo hindi iyo kaya ko sa si Sir Greg or si Sir Derwin or si Sir Santi during that time. Taas ka na during counseling, hindi iyo kaya. So, may salute to these men, no? Of trying really to make sure that they are still in touch with raising the kind of youth that we were back then.
Mhm. Sales, I guess we should not delay man answer the question kay si Tintin pati si attorney Aubrey kere-kere agad sabi
Oh,
Ken
so
ba daw ganyan
much.
dito yung first crush? Sylvie Jasmine Banjola Gravante. Yung
Hello,
first crush,
grabe
yung
man
ganong
first.
question. That's a common question, I see, oh.
Hala.
Oh, di
Talaga?
ba? Ang tanong
Okay.
ng bayan. Would you
First
want to
crush.
answer that?
Senior, first crush, senior.
Nasita
In,
agad man name at
hindi
classmate,
yung name
classmate?
name. Hindi yung name name.
From
But
what section niya lang?
it was a classmate. It was a classmate.
Oh, classmate?
Yes,
Wow.
yes. It was a classmate. First crush.
Attorney Obs, correct ba? Classmate daw, first crush. Do you agree?
First crush, ha? First crush.
Aha.
Hi,
Hindi,
senior.
si Iyo, hindi man answer sa question. Kay Iyo man, fortunately, Iyo else ang question, right? Hindi man answer ko na sa kay controversial kasi. Right? So,
Senior.
okay, let's move on. So, what were your favorite and least fave subjects in our 4 years in high school? Let's start
Siguro,
with the favorite subject.
favorite. Siguro, ayun, English. And then, our English, antes, diba, siya na pata English literature, English composition. So, I'd like
Mhm.
that.
Both?
I really, yes, both English compo and English literature. Kasi parang in literature, you feel the world with its stories. So I like short stories. I realized that kere-kere gadyole because of that. And then, ang least, syempre, math. Math. Eh, okay. And I think,
May
not
atong
because I,
teacher na math ante, si Ma'am,
si Osteda si Ma'am Toribio.
ay
Diba?
si Ma'am Toribio, yes, with the
Si
steak.
Ma'am, yes.
Remember, with the steak. Oh my God. Makamiedo agad si
Oo,
Manmali, no? With
that's
steak agad si Ma'am.
right. Oo,
Pero
kami,
you know
sila,
what? Yeah,
sila
pork
Sir
house ako na
Banuka,
si
si Sir,
Matt, di ato.
yeah, si Sir Milamer,
Yes, si Sir
Araneta,
Baluka, si
yes,
Sir Pilamer,
Mer,
si Ma'am
si
kinganical teacher di aton Talia na States, si aka na
Sino ba?
geometry,
Geometry.
si
Sino
Ma'am,
ba?
oh my goodness, friends kami
Sama
na
naman.
Facebook, oh my God.
Salawa, yun. No, hindi, ta-accord na to,
Basta
but
si Ma'am,
yeah.
i-accord dayo. But because Ben Valley
Si
El
Ma'am Yerba.
Foundation,
Ma'am Yerba.
Ma'am Yerba, you're right.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
See,
yes.
you're right. Because of Ben Bali El Diatun Foundation na high school na math,
Mm.
sabi bagad tuya pwede kayo manland na engineering.
O, di ba? Bongga. Engineer
Yeah.
ka ayo. Di
Yeah,
ba?
and remember, tiyan kita, subject calculus, kun father, ito na fourth year
Ostede,
kita,
si Father Irving
ya ugidaga
Salano.
dyan ni,
Si Father
yeah, si Sir Salanyo.
Irving.
Yeah.
Yes,
So, na
yes.
college, may kami calculus, integral, pati differential calculus. So, pwede kami usa. So,
O, di ba?
very happy
Bongga
ganito kay
gayon.
Benvali and Advanced and Ateneo na teaching.
That's
Even ang
right.
mga Turbo C++, yan teach ka natin, right? Grabe,
But you
sila college essay, piece of cake
Yeah,
na
but
Benvali
you to make
Foundation.
sure, sabi to engineer, I felt also that because of that, na parang porque ba I least get the Mio L math during the time. And I realized that is why I I loved Kumon. Because right
Ang
now,
kuman.
I love math because of Kumon, 'di ba? So
Correct.
that is the reason why no parang you know these things when they come to you in your life you realize there's really a use for all these emotions for all the experiences and then you really learn no to
Mm,
see no what use will this give to your life so akel so parang
correct.
ang ganda lang na you come to to engage with these things yes.
Yeah. So let's shift muna na di aton comment section. When mucho ganyan comment si Ma'am Nerva. I remember the favorite student na Berkman, si Ma'am Nerva, si Raquel Taroza, who is also online. Rax, you had the right answer.
Hi
Raquel would usually get
Kay.
100 in the examination. Tota ko lang limani, ang sina lang gani.
Amo no.
Ben bright with si Raquel. I'm a proud
Mm,
friend of Raquel Taroza. Hi Kay,
correct.
hello. And her
Yes.
jeep. Kung sa jeep? Ah, jeep ni Ma'am
Jeep di
Toribio.
Toribio, 'di ba tamanehan si
Wow.
Ele?
Mm-mm.
So,
Oh my
yun.
goodness, si Sir Ricky
Hi,
Baluka
Sir
also commented,
Ricky! You
I
are
love math.
online. Yes, Sir Ricky.
Yes, si
Ara,
Sir
I
Ricky
love na
kasi sa
kumon
good teacher
math.
in math. Pati math
Yes,
club, di ba? Kaya advisor si Sir Ricky.
yes. Si
Oh,
RV
Si Doc
Tabla,
Janina,
favorite daw this
Ma'am Yerba,
week.
you're right. Mm-mm. May nakita pa
Yes.
otro, ha? Uy, si Arvin Chan is also watching. Hello, Arvin. Si Vince, si Friendship, si Ricky Baluka. Oh, welcome. Balikat si Matt, pero Ken el first crush na high school na classmate ni Sylvie. My goodness. That's a
Ilagad sa
controversy.
sila.
Man-answer yan lang
Oo.
kasi, kaya para pwede kita man-move on. Ken,
Ay,
baga.
hindi na. Okay,
But,
ya.
may medyo
Para
magaha, no?
oo, si Abla kita ara mandagaha el esposa
Ay,
bolde
hindi. No, may
aki
alam.
na o
Baka
di
man,
mo ora
baka man banta ka
minus
nato.
minus LD atun attendance kay Abla el esposa aha ansi nagali ha gusto
Mhm.
nyo ibalik ang tambalang guy and tip na wag na hindi na di ba
Amo
hindi
gayon.
gayon
Attorney Aubrey, we cannot name drop. Pasensya, gadto kay manbanggad ka namo na Facebook.
el mga esposa di ba
Yeah. Sir Ricky,
so
we love you too from Magis 99.
we'll see you, Sir
Diba?
Ricky, in our teachers, tribute to teachers.
So,
Diba?
ako din nanti dito yung answer. Amo ka dito yung favorite teacher. Amo yung bagad girl. You mentioned to know, right?
Si Ma'am V. Yeah, si Ma'am V.
Okay, okay. So, what year in high school did you find the most memorable and enjoyable, and why? Diyan ka duwain mo
Memorable.
to beauty queen lang kita na pageant.
Memorable, ha? Memorable. Okay. Memorable. High school night is always memorable. Diba?
I know, right?
Yeah, I am sure everyone
The
loves
entire
high school.
memorable kayo.
Mas malo ya el last, no? El last, di aton, high school night. That was
Yeah.
memorable, but not enjoyable. But
What you
not
say?
enjoyable. That
Masabi
was
ko
my
sa sa
first
usual.
heartbreak. That was the
Oh, your
first.
heartbreak. Ah, that's why it's
Yes.
memorable. So, let's
Yes.
not go into details. Like, heartbreak sa baka
Yeah.
manyurahan pa kita ato.
Oo
So,
nga,
hindi ka
no?
proper time
This
para
this
yun.
should be this should be fun.
Still,
'Di
so
ba?
I need to refill my coffee kay mahilig ka coffee. Look, amo takin man
Yeah.
kadto. Insisita pa yung man
Oo.
refill, madali man
Ben
refill
ben
ah.
pareso ken gayot kada el next aki di aton guest. Debegat man guest kay siya na gayot meron talagang
Mhm.
pamag ang ating host. So we like to
Yes,
thank
fancy
no
mug.
fancy mug with gold no inscription on it.
Go.
Coffee with toffee.
Yes.
Grabe, collector's item gayot. Collector's item.
Ben Valley and
Diba?
Lady aton look oh.
Yes, right. Oo, grabe.
Diba?
Parang
When we have already the akad pang mark yaga di ato nakal design. So
Yes,
we're
that's
gonna
right.
change that. This one.
'Di ba?
Atal
Pero
si
it's so
finalize el
nice.
design logo di ato. Yeah, it's
Oo.
nice.
Sige, kayo na ang sumagot sa mga question ha. Bang, kayo na ang
Sagutin mo bang? Ayan. I know man
Para,
yung sasabi heartbreak. Aba pa si Arvin siya. Oh my God. Yan ayabang. Mangkwento daw. Oh my goodness. Kita-kita lang man taki. Hutik lang man.
oo,
Attorney
no?
Obs, manhutik ka lang kami later. Kaya baka man banyagad ka namon aki. May agad bundok
Oo.
dyan. Ha 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 ha.
El
Oh my
mga
God.
esposa da mga mga salary ng ating heartbreak baka hindi pa papuntahin sa
Correct.
alumni
Ay,
homecoming.
Steels, Ben Bueno suggestion di Tintin. Initials ya lang. Sino ya
Ha?
lang? Eh, para estaketo ya sila. Pwede sila man move on. So, give
Ay,
us the initials, the
senyor.
first and the last.
Del cosas eh. Del cosas eh.
Gabi,
Del cosas.
el first crush daw dito. Yung crush lang manggaha.
Ay,
Sa
senyor.
crush or first love, amay ba?
Na otro Kelios.
Akagaya ka
Na,
sa el heartbreak dito, ya mo gaha. No.
Kunose man si attorney. Nung maya lang. Sabi sa
Hello,
si
wait lang.
attorney.
Classmates di Mio or hindi? Amay ba,
Hala
Ken?
ka, porque
Or,
sa
or, or, or,
Ancina. Next
or that's a
question niya
different...
kayo sa si
Oh, next
Tofi
question.
mo.
Yeah, kita controversial dito. Oh my goodness.
Oo, di
For
ba?
come sagad sa kanila kay
Amo
Chine Blessing
yagan eh.
Revilla.
Kosa daw,
Arvin Chan,
can
mag-guest
siya.
ka daw. Yeah, si Arvin Chan, pwede man guest. Yeah.
Ay,
He's doing well in his
senyor.
craft. So,
Amo.
syempre,
Sige.
tiyan kita mga enjoyable and memorable. Syempre, kita mga embarrassing moments, Sales. So, I'm pretty much sure we
Yes.
have a handful of embarrassing moments before. Would you
Yes.
tell us, Sales, what were yours in high school?
My goodness, I think ako di agad say I actually shared it in a video. Ese ba di atun fountain before? No? Akal round
Mm-hmm.
fountain sa inyo. Kasi mangat ka. El
What
Agua.
man?
El Agua
Okay.
alyan. May mangat ka kita pensa, no? Akal ba, may mangat ka kita hygienic ways of checking si limpyo ka o hindi. Ako din kung si Kia agad to, kasi di ba siya nakita sa PE every afternoon at that time, si siya nakita intramurals, kabarbin kung si Kia agad to, akal ba, nuay agwa ta sale, kabar ni si Sita yung katutoma, ay senyor, ta chupaya lang kat kita ko nila agawa alya.
Oh my
Non
goodness,
kabar,
I did not try this seryoso too.
ay, senyor, di ba? Ara si Tanigayo akorda. Parang, hala, no, yung mga gadyukal pensa. Pero no, yung mga
Bueno
to
na lang may pa-COVID
choice.
at that time, no?
Di ba? Iyo kasi tamen ara lang yun, hala, okay lang mangkel kami, okay lang manggal kami tatoma ko nakil during that time. Ako pa sina circle ang sina grande circle covered manada ang sina akal mga daw jutay-jutay fountain covered mahina pagkat al treasure del agua. Covered kung si Kia, yaga to kay tagri-tagri tagat kita, tagri-tagri tagayot na volleyball, ang sina cover si Nay gali kel ago cover ni sisita naman huya man to kay talaya to taprikura to hala
I
to
know,
akal
right?
taprikura to chupa ko na ago al nagripo. Di ba? Kay agad ka mga cover cover hindi uso di aton antes bariga engineer chene diarrhea,
Yeah.
perma,
Mm.
porque kill, do
No,
okay lang mo
pagkagakil.
kill.
Pati
Basta
antes, at acorda yung sales, karo pa el mineral water. Check pa mineral water, ice water lang kadakal na plastic. Ang sino na magkatabi? Or
gani
siya yung
ita
mineral water?
akorda kay do el agwa ka na
Do-
doon antes. Aki lang man kill alya na fountain gani.
Si Don De Faucet, Don De ano, amoy
Amoy
akil,
man
right?
kill. Kabarya ka dalang
Akal
boto
bakal
sa
vertical pansina, el ano, LDC
oo,
Faucet,
akal
kabar
ra
pansina.
si hindi akal
Yeah, akal,
round
yeah,
ka
pansina, oh, round.
si Kabarben
Concrete,
Manada.
right? Yeah, I know,
Si,
I remember that.
diba? Amo God Gil, kabar daw okay lang man God Gil na di aton bariga ta entra. Kabar, lo, pakimudo daw kay Ara, si Taliga ba yun? May maya El Fountain kasi Ara. Pero si Taliga yung
Mhm.
accorda, yan survive makakita ta to maalyan. So, kimudo ba
Moy
kayo?
arte-arte, no, antes, right?
Oo, as in, grabe gayod. Bin ano God Gil.
Mhm.
Bin epic gayod, no? If I may use the term.
Minagat to sales o si Doc Janina, Elia lang daw kat kontesta. Do
Cosa
sabi
and
magad
cosa
si
sa doc.
hindi gata ka ba el ken bagad sel nombre do de ese gente se. Maybe later kay chenegad yung question later about love life DCV. Baka pwede kita
Ay,
man push
seryo.
kung an answer, right? So antabayanan nyo guys. So Ann Aubrey de Guzman, pasmado pa man ang bibig ko pag ma-excite. Sige si Arvin. Di uso ka naton el mineral water. Correct. Di ba, Grace?
Oo,
Na.
porque kill,
Al
no?
crush gali. El crush di tuyo, ano, sales. Pregunta sila, ano ba yan? Ice water na plastic. Grabe man. PLAH. Plastic. Ben siya ba ko ang manggad kitatin?
Amo, di
Enjoy.
ba?
So, let's move on. Kaya mucho pa kita question time. Kita mga 3 oras agad kita sales instead of 45 minutes.
Hello.
So, what was the most surprising thing that you learned about yourself in high school? Siya na ba surprised
Surprising.
about
Na
yourself?
I know, I was no that na I am courageous pala, no. Very I was very courageous pala during that time, especially um fighting for my classmates. Yun kasi
Oh,
yeah,
interesting. Pakilay, eh.
because a few of my classmates are not supposed to graduate during the fourth year. So I took
May ganun
courage.
sasabi.
So I took courage to talk to some of our teachers. Um, in high school kasi, at one point, you can all, sometimes we feel na pwede lang kita pensa di aton self, no? Di aton korpo. Pero at one point galit, na pwede galit gayot kita assess something if we know that these people matter to you. So yun, kaya pala. There are courageous things no that you would do for your classmates, for the people that became your family in school. So Akel, I think that was really kasi at one point sabi yo parang ano yo parang makamiedo, reserve kita, no, ansina yung di aton di mo yung mindset at one point. Pero parang if the tough pala, if you are pressed to the wall, amo galikal ta sa ligayot na you are willing really to fight for someone. Akel.
Yeah. In my case, I mean, same kita answer, but sabi to Porke, kay in high school, because I came from a public school in Siargao, Jose, so when I went there, na Ateneos, I felt like, wow, mga social, mga sinat, things like that. Sabi mga hombre kid, mga brusko gayod, mga bully, mga sinat, siya ang sinat, right? So when I became the bidel, assigned bidel, I think twice kel, I really learned to become very, very firm and you know and strict kanila. So Ken
Yes.
Akaltan escape guide. Hindi naman mention Ken Uno classmate yung mahilig man escape.
O, di ba?
Bahala ka mo si example, abi sila talakrama sila tan ano tan pressure kumiga para upon a present. No, when you are like absent siya escape God to. So
Yeah,
yap
that's
yung
right.
pwede ka man abla kay I really stood up to the voice.
Ikaw talaga ang
But
dakilang bidel ng Berkmans.
stricto gadya queda antes per causa con ese. So, I'm happy. Same answer
Diba?
on
Had
our
to be
circumstances.
courageous. That's right.
So, mira gat first heartbreak senior, hindi gat first crush. Dos bilo kanit ano Silbs, first crush and first heartbreak. Guys, este agad el point del dimi interview naman ask agad kita question about ese. So Silbs, makakilig-kilig agad kita este
Ay,
moment.
senyo.
So before kita man answer di la question, so oh my God, it's a
Mm.
$1 million question di ila. So did you believe in crush or infatuation during our time?
Oo
When you
naman.
felt like real good ka crush or like yung pressure na puti siya ni crush
Hindi
sa sa'yo
naman.
or real.
Crush-crush lang. Crush-crush
So
lang.
kusa ka
Okay
year yan
lang yan.
start once ina yan swoony feeling.
Ha, tasudaya daw di mi, tasudaya daw yo. Sitin, tasudaya ti mi subako tin. Hay senyo. Hay nako. Anyway, syempre, sa mga first year too, tapos man tumira, mga ano, hala, cute mate, gentleman man ste gente.
Kusa like
Tina.
the physical appearance or kilay ko
Oo
tingnan.
naman, physical appearance at one point, but it was more of a very gentlemanly, no, na ano,
Okay.
person. So, that was my first na crush gat di niyo na high school. Kay ben gentleman gat kel gente. Okay. Na classmate man.
Kimbaga.
So hindi iyo abla. Pero
Okay.
my first love, yeah, si ano, it was from Berkman.
Si PF. Amo ya
It
ba?
was, yeah, it was my first
I learned about that when we had a conversation before because I said I never
yeah,
realized ya queda
yeah.
gali ustedes, 'di ba? So
So, alaya lang
it's
siya.
confirmed. Oh, PF
Yeah.
guys. Amo kel first heartbreak? Amo kel?
Yes, that was
Amo
my
kel?
first
Okay.
heartbreak. Na talagang
Oh, pero
ikakamadre ko pa sana, di ba?
really? Kasi
Oo,
nagad to kailap ko
talagang
nila that time.
ay wow! Talagang hinaylight, no? Oh, that was the
So, so how do you think did the kilig factor impact your high school life? Siyempre, sometimes sabi sila, ay, kwanse, added motivation se,
that's
inspiration
right.
se, di nila se.
Mm.
So you excelled well na ano, na
Oo, kasi
studies for
makahuya. Makahuya. Makahuya ka,
Why?
yaler.
Sila
Di
tayo. Okay,
ba?
okay.
Oo, makahuya. Kapalan yan, Crash Crash 2, kabar. Kung sino, di ba? Kabar
Gusto
yakay.
sa'yo.
No, minagat to. Kasi sa sila, ay,
Kasudaya si Sylvie. Oh my
oo
God.
mo yan eh. Tas sudaya din yung subako. Di ba?
Mhm.
Oo. Hindi
Na
lang gat para.
si Obstan Piyok ya daw to nervous yarn.
Oo
Yapag pa si
nga.
Pinky.
Pwede pa kumigo pregunta kal mga social issues numalang sa love life. Senyor, ano ba yan?
Ano si Raquel is
Pwede.
asking Kense, you know what? Si Raquel Bender lang gad sita pregunta, pero I guess nasitat man answer ka gayon. I will stand for
Basta,
Raquel. Kense,
okay
o
ya
yan
ang
lang, initial yan
initials.
lang.
Oh,
Ay, initial,
Talia.
ato na
Correct
crush.
ya, di ba, Tofi?
The
Correct
PF,
ya, good
okay,
kill.
Kel. Pero Ella, first
Mm.
crush, initials,
Letter B. Oh.
B.
Oh, akal
Guys,
ya.
letter
Pwede
B
na
daw,
ha.
Diyos ko.
Okay ya. Okay
Oh,
ya.
B lang, asaya lang kita, di ba?
Oh,
So at
alya lang
least.
kita ha. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Hahaha, usap pa kumigo. Higher hacks. Siyempre, usap-usap kami kita para pwede kita man-scoop aki o issue po
Oo.
si
Ang
Silvio.
muya
Diba?
gani. Kusaya gayot. Mm-hmm.
So, from that, we'll go to activities and interest category. Oh.
Ay, wow.
So, medyo okay step. So, medyo seryoso at kita po ako. So, would you recall some co-curricular and extracurricular activities that you were actively involved in high school sales?
Ako, Council of Leaders. Yeah, and then
Mm-hmm.
YCLC. No, because sa YCLC I was really active. most of our ano kasi di amon mga activities is out of the city, no? We would go to other parts and then represent the school. So akal LD aton ano, akal LD mio involvement. And then I think those were the times kami na tapos na kita mira, no? How we can represent the school and talk to other people at the same time. Okay. Hindi pa
Mhm.
sila takan sa alya na comments. Otro topic
Hindi
niya.
takansa. Kaya gani. And you think that these are, the activities that made the deepest impact na dito your life, right?
Yes, because
LYCLC,
been grande
Council of
the impact
Leaders.
because yakeda to in touch the community, no? You have been in touch with the community. Ya pwede yung mira on the Dimio Centro, on the yo pwede Dimio Mission, Dimio Calling. So,
Mhm.
akala di aton ano, those were the things that yung tamira kita no that alyagali Dimio line no, of ano of Dimio mission in life.
So let's move on to another question. So were the
Mm.
passion and interest that you had in high school led you to choosing your college course and career? Tama ba na education and children? Ano ba?
Yeah, I'm a home graduate, so because I feel that when you are in com, you have to be knowledgeable in so many things, no, in so many aspects. In other words, tiyan na si otro mga ano, taabli sila, mga marites kita. But na, hindi ka kita tausa, no, for just so we will know some things. But for me, this involvement, no, in the organizations that I'm a part of, siguro just prepared me, no, and just
Mhm.
validated me into the kind of work that I am doing right now. Yan, prepare lang gad ele. Kasi akal di aton di aton yamira kita, no, ado alya diata di mi afford.
Correct. Okay. Bila kita ulit ang kinadi aton comment section. Shout out ani kita kun Mr. Marco. Marco pati si Marge Fabian. They are also online.
Ay,
Yabla pa si Marge. Ha 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 ha. Bueno lang may trabaho mañana. Else, chenekin man tayo na traffic.
correct.
Senyor. O si
Correct.
Conrad Evangelista Sontiliano. Basta kami
Hi, Kuya
dirigita, observa
Cons.
lang. Sister
Obserba lang,
Con.
Kuya Cons, ha? No habla. Di atong sikreto.
Si Titi Tabla organized daw. But syempre, by category, kasi, ha 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 ha. Kabararap kayo pa syempre sa itong kwento about heartbreak. Yan answer niya si Sylvia question. The first heartbreak si PF from Berkmans.
Ay,
And
wow.
so yung first crush, was it B? B as in
Pwede
boy.
ya, Kel, ha?
Bravo.
Pwede ya. Hmm.
Badiri siguro.
Uy, Gonzaga, tamen.
Gonzaga daw. Wow, surprise ako si Benjola. Hehe, ibalita ko yan sa GC natin. Halagat ka. Structured gayon si Angkol. Angkol, gad kami talama.
Hindi man. Parang hindi
Gonzaga.
lang daw man buyong si Engineer
Yeah, I
Cho.
know. Correct.
Hmm.
Ah, Brian Bango? B? Tapos si Brian.
Berkmans man, si
Berkmans.
Brian.
May mucho manggad ano si Berkmans gaha, no? Teka lang, mirat na year
Sabi
ko
to, maskin
pala.
onde-onde pa di, maskin onde-onde pa dito yung ara question kumigo, tabira lang kita ali. Mira to,
I
nagayot
know,
gastos
right? Kasi
ano.
that's the most interesting part of the interview to discuss about your love life. Can you remember,
Ay,
the aton
salamat.
topic, the different colors na di aton high school life. So, una yung
That's
agad sa love
right.
life that occupy like about 80% of the big color na di aton high school life. Di ba? Siguro ganun.
Yes.
Joke lang. So, okay,
Correct.
let's move on. Alam namin kita na personality and background category. Oh.
Ay, wow.
Then,
Siya may category. Di ba?
then char-char lang, kayo lang kaltaabla. Char-char lang kid,
Okay.
para chinek ko sa abla. So, Sils,
Mm.
if our high school teachers were to describe you to other people, what words do you think would they use?
You know, I would use Ma'am Rosie Hong's term. She
Description
always,
kaibigan.
yeah, sa Ablagat Ele, I always see you as a go-getter. So,
I like that.
go-getter daw, getter. Nasabi lang Lena, all my life, during high school, I was so afraid. Pero Ablale, I've always believed that you are a go-getter. So, Chanebes, I will always reminded of that every time I can feel you a little bit down. I could
Low.
always go back, no? I'd always go back to that na parang, di ba, go-getter ka. That is my, sometimes, that's my motivation to get back in the game. And see na
Correct.
lang.
So what were your strengths and weaknesses in high school?
Strength, siguro strength, my strength is also my weakness. It is both an asset and a
Wow.
liability.
Very deep man,
Kasi,
sis. Sige, go.
yeah, because, di ba, as I said, sabi yo kay courageous yo. At one point, I knew that I was courageous. Pero at the same time, I did not have the courage to say no to so many things. Like for example, magpapaawa lagi, no? Nagpapaawa or something. I cannot anymore, I cannot say no pag nakakaawa. Bilis ko kasi maawa. So both siya an asset and a liability.
Strength.
Kasi minsan, that same na ina-invoke mo, minsan ay hindi na siya consistent. Yun.
Yeah.
So yun.
So as you said earlier, mahilig kayo sa books, right? So as a
Yes.
bookworm, tell me what particular book or books you have read that inspired you to be the person that you have become at present.
Siguro, it goes with age. No? It goes with age.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, I love reading na sa mga ikigai, Ichigo Ichi. So these are my go-to books kasi parang na siya, parang for me, it's where you would find your meaning. Siguro, akil high school kita, tala pa kita na Sweet Valley, di ba? So, napagad ka mga Tiyempo and Sina. Kaya kita book
Chilling. Hardy
report,
Boys.
Hardy
Hardy
Boys,
Boys.
akil. So, we had that before. I
Catcher
am,
in the Rye. That ako say.
yes, that's right. That was one of my references in my research sa child
Yeah.
abuse, no? So, now, though, I am leaning towards this na, the Ikigai books where you look for your purpose in life, the thing that you like to
Mm-hmm.
do with your life. We are not getting any younger, and I have already high school boys. So sometimes, ano pa ba yung pwede mong gawin? Kasi they are becoming bigger. Parang feeling mo, you are letting go dahan-dahan. So,
True.
I am driven to reading these books. Yeah.
Sales makarisa sa mga di aton ko ano.
Oo,
Di
hindi kasi sila tapo
aton.
ni
Comment
attention
section.
akil mga
You know
no?
what? Ben mucho kad sila guesses na dito yung classmate na siya na initial B. Si Bodek, si Bobot,
Ken
si
pa.
Sir Baluka yung mga
Classmate
Sir
ka ba ni
B.
Sir Ricky?
Ay man. Sa totoo diya lang gayon. So,
I
yan
see.
mention yung Cornelia, no? Tama ba? Ah, okay.
Ako
What
sa,
else?
oh,
Yan mention niya ba yung Cornelia? Yeah, okay.
ako sa, ay,
And
why?
answer dito. Ay, no, Anya? Senior, very difícil man. But anyway,
Secret.
guys, assignment siya lang si guys. Burnos daw. Siya to classmate Burnos ang
Yes, siya
nombre.
na kami mo. Pero hindi, si Lester
Ah,
Burnos.
o baka naman si Bryant daw.
Berk,
Labastida.
Berkmans man, kos ka man si Brian, oy.
Oscar. Balot daw. Balot gayod kel. What's balot?
Si Mark Revillas yan.
Ah,
Tabla
Mark
sila balot
Revillas.
sa
Ah, baka
lawayon.
si Bryant. Tamiya to balong. Siya na balong. No
Ay,
conocer mga gadyo, mga
senyor.
nickname no gadyo.
Correct. Ay, senyor.
So, Silves, how do you want our batch El Magis 1999 to remember you?
Ay, grabe man. Baka miedo
Mm-mm.
mo. Medyo
Enante pag kailan describe el teachers, right? Ara, how would you want to be remembered by our batch 1999?
Siguro engineer to in my life, not only in batch 99, but in all the dealings that I have with people. I just want to become relevant
Mhm.
in many aspects. Siguro kasi I just don't like my time and my life wasted. So it has always been a
Correct man
personal
kami.
call, no, for me to become relevant. I don't like to be popular. I don't like to become a politician and get praises from. I just want to be relevant. Yung my relevance in helping in nation building, my relevance in the life of my children. Yun lang na meron lang talaga akong for the lack of term now, meron lang akong silbi sa kanila, no? So
Correct.
sana kita use, no? Use in the point of view na bueno, good use, no?
Correct.
In many ways. So, aka lang siguro LD Mio lang that I be relevant in the things that I do, that I become a part of. So, aka lang gayon,
Yeah.
LD Mio.
Ang Miss Universe man kasi prima dito yung mga answers. Uy,
Pero
kilaya
na
na.
kita height, so na hindi kita pwede na Miss Universe. Aya lang kita na mini Miss You. Aya lang.
Correct. Interesting question, Sils. No wonder lang mga Sils. Did you always come to class prepared, that is confident with assignments and ready for exams? Or chitem to mga moments na
Why?
ngarag?
Of course, hindi antes kasi tamin kita, siya naman kita mga ano, siya naman kita, what you call this? What you call that? Mga, sa paste? Mga times wherein we are placed also in surprise. So, akil LD aton, mga ano.
Mhm.
Hindi tamin kita prepared at one point.
Yeah,
Yun.
correct. So in our 4 years in high school, Sils, would you admit that you at least cheated in quizzes or periodical exams? I know you
No, I
answered
got,
earlier, but now baka man-change
no.
did you answer? No, I get it.
Why? Why?
Same.
Kasi
Assignments lang, no?
tatsa niyo miedo. I am bad
Same.
at that. I'm so bad at that. I am so bad. Hindi mo talaga ako tanga gadyo na ansina. So,
Yeah, when you
my
say I'm so bad at that, actually it's a good thing, right? Kasi hindi
kasi
kita
nerbiyosa man yo, no? Ka mga time ansina.
si pwede to be
Hindi
a
yo se
teacher, di ba?
kaya. Hindi yo kaya kasi no kaya yo sa pressure na hindi yo ako ba? Tiyanita ko, makamiedo gayud, hindi gayud,
Correct.
makamiedo. So,
Pero
akelyo, I
usually tamin siya ni kita classmates namin, di ba? Like sitan examination, dol blanket gatan cover el papel. So pakilay kita copyright. Shout out gali kun Katrina Marino. Hello Kat. Of the many classmates di amon, Katrina Marino would usually cover her kasi sa Odyssey papel. Di man kenta kopya ka. Tan pressure lang kami kuntigo.
ay, senyor.
Yeah, sila na
O,
si mo
di
seatmate do.
ba?
Kaya mas ko pa Katrina bin blanket na dyan mga sa Odyssey papel. Pero si
Anyways.
Katrina is one of the kasi sa closest barkada din niyo. Kasi Seventh Heaven
Mm,
siya kasi kami na grupo. So, hello
wow.
Kat, from the Philippines to France or Italy, wherever you are in Europe. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes.
Disperta
Correct.
ya. Mira ko na di aton live.
Amo. Okay.
So,
Sige.
so knowing what you know right now, what advice would you give our your younger self entering high school for the first time?
Ang hirap naman ang question na yan. I think,
Mm-mm.
and enjoy the moment, learn well, and live with no regrets. Kasi
Perfect.
yun. Kasi
Handa pa
para,
rin, di ba?
learn well and live with no regrets. Kasi whatever we've experienced in the past, not just made us, di ba, made us stronger, better. What won't kill us will only make us stronger. So, these are things that have become our, mantra over time. Yun.
Correct. So let's
Diba?
go back to our kasi sa comment section na key.
No, no,
Marco Parelio said, Badiri, Magis, to do more. Baka si Botek Baraka.
Ay, wow! Grabe naman kayo itong mga
Wow!
dreams ng
Mahilig na
ating mga...
Moreno. Mahilig ka to na Moreno. Paging daw kung Katrina Marino, onde ba si Katrina? Hello, Kat. Ano ba si Katrina? Si Raquel, halaga to kun Katrina. Perhaps admit it, di ba? Tan pressure kita kung Katrina, mas kinuay kenta kopya, tan blanket gadi suyo papel. Sus Mariosep. Advice naman nerbya manship. Ay, hindi mo daw nerbya
Ay,
manship.
grabe naman si Freddy.
Ako pa
Oy!
si Freddy ko. Dito siya nagagamit. Even in college, hindi gayo jotan,
Makamiedo.
taman ka
Makamiedo,
kopya or ta
no?
kopya, makamiedo gayod. Yeah.
Makamiedo
Kasi ini mga
gayud.
teachers talamagat attention and sometimes an owas sa sila sayang ang di aton effort kada
Effort.
bueno na school ka bar one mistake lang malo di aton reputasyon, right?
That's right.
Christina Almasan said, Bobot or Bodek? Ano ba yan? Hindi ka takabata. Bes, otre kita topic aki.
Ay, ito, pwede ba yung reka natin? Anyway, sige.
Sil,
Alay,
yun,
pa
yaman.
yun.
Hello,
O,
Sis, are you
sige.
back?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
here. Yes.
So, akita man kita na future plans and other questions ya pwede
Mhm.
lista. So, if you had to go back and do your high school experience all over, what would you have changed and why?
None. Sorry, none
Wow.
kayo. Oo, kasi
Perfect. No?
it's part of everything. I mean, if we cannot think about it, I mean, we cannot laugh about it now. Pakimodo ya lang si my human experience skill, it wouldn't make me the me that I am right now. So, okay
Yeah.
siya kasi you realize na there were bumps, there were turns, and it was okay.
Yeah.
Okay
It made the
gayon.
entire journey very memorable.
Yes,
Right?
even as a heartbreak na hindi nyo pa ako tinatantanan.
Ano ba
Oo,
yan? The
oo.
heartbreak no?
Even yan. Kasi, you would want, no, those heartbreaks na parang I really felt na parang if it weren't because of that, no, ta pwede get to my, you get to realize na that, yan college yo and all, and then I had my boyfriend who is now my husband kasi elegayot LD mo yung next boyfriend eventually akeda di mo yung husband, no? So
We're happy for you.
yeah, if it weren't for that, so no to idea how you want to be treated in a relationship, how you want the relationship to be taken care of. So nice skill kasi ya aprende yung skill. So
Exactly.
Amo gad
So,
skill.
what does being an alumna of the Ateneo High School mean to you?
Wow, big words.
Yes.
Yeah, big words. I'd like to say that no, parang generic man kata sa kanato na we become men and women for others. But I think more ultimately, becoming an alumna is making yourself count, especially at the most difficult times in your family, in your community, or in the place of work that you have right now, or even in the country, no? Because some of us, especially those who are holding high positions in government, they are actually trying to make their own mark, Ali. So I think it is trying really to make a mark in the sphere that we are parts of. So, hindi kailangang masyadong malaki. No? Kahit magsimula sa
Absolutely, I
family.
agree 101%. Yes.
Yes. So,
So,
yun.
Prodeo et Patria.
Patriot.
Remember
Diba?
that? So, how,
Oo.
yes, how have you meaningfully lived your life for the love of God and country so far?
Grabe, no? Meaningfully live my
Another
life.
serious question.
Oo. Siguro one is being very conscious of the things, no, that I do for people. For me, I have always, it's a personal advocacy to be in a place where I would like to nurture. Yamira yokel parang alyagala iyo. There is a nurturing at nature na each one kanaton, and I think that's where I am really placed by the Lord. So por eso I made sure na I have a place like for Kumon to nurture the young minds. No, so even yet for the new venture that I have right now is to nurture also the feelings, no, the mental health of people for relaxation. So I feel na alyagaleo. I go and thrive in that kind of field. So I
Mhm.
think that's the part, no, that I'd like to
Yeah.
see myself.
Okay, perfect. Maganda payment that you answer. Mira to, yan comment si Attorney Aubrey. Makarisas manes the subtitles. Siya kita subtitles kali. Let's see.
I
Oh,
think
it's
siguro si Tanya on live siguro they have subtitles.
makarisas gani gayon el disuyo kasasa talama el interpretation. El di
I see.
translation disuyo. Dili di amo. Makarisas manes the subtitles. Me too.
Oh,
Tapos yan. Heartbreak
agree.
anniversary. Ano ba yan? Si Arvin. Hi, Jenny Lee. Yes, si Jenny Lee
Hi
Awichan is online
Jen!
also.
How
Ay,
are
condolences,
you?
Jen. Our heartfelt condolences, Jen. And hello to our program. You know, si Miss Jenny Lee Awichan, ako dagadim kasi di may mga sa classmate. Favorite ka siya ko nila si tan, ano, tan elocute ti Elena Frank, tan declaim or tan
Correct.
elocute. Bien
Kami,
emphatic, grabe to na, siya nagka climactic build up, among a word.
that's
And
right.
she really is one of my pinaka-idol kasi ng mga Ansina klase, the forte. Hi Jen,
Si,
comment-comment naman dyan.
si Jen was my classmate in grade school.
Oh, in grade school, yeah.
Kami, yes,
Okay.
classmate kami in grade. So they have the same birthday. Kami,
The same
dos.
birthday, sana all. Quando as a birthday ulit, mag-celebrate kita big time. So,
Yes.
still, you are a true blue-blooded educator by passion, right? So, you have Kumon and you also teach in college. Would you
Yes.
consider the possibility of teaching at the Ateneo High School anytime soon?
No, hindi iyo kaya, Engineer Toph.
Okay, why? You're
um,
working.
my kids are in high school now, and
Mhm.
different. It's a different. Not this generation of young men and women in the high school is kind of different, no? Otro tamen gayot LDE siguro their ways and all. And I think imagine gana yung ansina ba kita antes, no? Our emotions, kasi mga di aton how we decide on things. Parang mas challenging. Parang hindi ko yata
Mhm.
kaya magturo sa high school. Kaya salute talaga sa mga teachers natin dati na kinaya ang mga kapraningan natin, ano, those things, ng mga kaasar-asar sa atin, na talagang naging patient with us. Kasi, if you look at it, ang hirap pala, hirap.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
So, siya patabla ki si Jen amo ya si idol na elocution and debate. Correct. Amo gayod el ko sa kita ta akorda kun Jen di awichen.
O, di ba? Aki lang
Okay.
si kita, si Noy pa kita, tsane conversations, aki, hindi pagayot kita pwede man exchange ang scene, aki. So, we'd
Yeah, you know
like
what?
to
When I was given this challenge para man host, kasi hindi mga Jibin Bueno gad na mga hosting, especially mga online broadcast like this. But I took this role gayod kay do necesita tayo minyo chine contribution na di aton batch no kay pretty busy. Sila mga meeting, sometimes ito pwede abuya. Yeah, but this is my way to repay you guys for the goodness that you offered para di aton batch. Kay Boko lang
yeah,
nga din
thank you.
contribution, pero si contribute man yung significant namin, right?
Thank you, Engineer To. Thank you to
My
all
pleasure.
our core officers. Maraming salamat for all your hard work. Ayun, because,
Correct. And we're
all
also taking this
these,
opportunity to also invite LD aton mga batchmates from other countries, tali abroad, come back to Zamboanga. Di
yes,
aton alumni homecoming is slated
is
when?
December 6 to 8, 2024. So December 6, that would be already our alumni fellowship night that will be in the Ateneo de Zamboanga grounds in La Purísima sa backfield, and we hope that you will be with us. And on the 7th we'll have also our batch night, and the 8th would be the blue and white ball. So those 3 days are very important, so please make already arrangements, travel arrangements. Sinisisita kita man file leave, please
Correct. Book
advise
your
already, no?
tickets.
And book your tickets so that you will be able to get very good discounts if you already booked early.
Yeah,
Akel,
because when we attended
Katina.
the recent, or should I say, L 1998 kasaste, homecoming, LBILA homecoming last
Yeah,
year, the
very nice.
December,
Oh,
yan mucho gad sila, monton gad kanila, ya bolbe estaba na Canada, from the States, para
that's
lang
right.
kada alegre el grupo kay once in a lifetime lang man tamen sa 25 years, no? Después ya
Correct.
graduate na di aton high school.
That's
Di
right.
ba? So,
Yes.
bebe, dahil tayo kita po ako importansya. Actually, hindi po ako grande importansya.
Correct,
Oh,
correct.
na
Engineer
homecoming. Kasi
Tofi,
parang kinahanglan.
Oo. I'd like also to say thank you to Kuya Mark Kabil. Thank you, Kuya Mark, for helping us really. Kay Enante, it was really technically challenging. So, I'd
Oo.
like to thank Kuya Mark Kabil, batch
Gracias gayon,
1997,
Kuya
for
Mark Cabil,
helping
for the
us
help.
with the StreamYard studio. Thank you so much. And Akel LD aton siguro gayot area Engineer Tof is to really encourage a lot of our classmates, batchmates to come home. Ablagan ni iyo, maski na di mo yung mga classmate na Gonzaga, this is the perfect time to come home. Akel kaya pakita kami na, no? We are still healthy, we can still walk, we can still, travel for long hours, kaya pagat kita. So, take advantage of this kind of mga homecoming because mientras vivo, mientras kaya, come home. Kasi hindi man gayot kita very sure, no, that in the next alumni homecoming na 30th milestone di ato na 35 kumpleto pa kita. So ara, let
Yeah.
us take advantage. Life is too short. Friendships, no, and friends are important also for us to be able to continue with the work and mission that we have in our lives. So at least,
Correct.
so let's fill each other's cup all over again. Kasi amo lang man kita, money, ko sa si money di aton, hindi sa kita pwede liba, si dispidi kita. But we only have good memories, no? Mga ansinan,
Mhm.
di aton, di aton regalo na di aton kwerpo tamen. Okay.
Exactly. And it's not
Ayun.
just about homecoming gayon kay el pinaka-importante, we have a significant lineup of activities, and we also have projects for the society, for the school. So
That's
we're still,
right.
the planning is underway, and hopefully we could continue to make a difference, especially na di aton silver jubilarian year this year. So,
That's
amo ka
right.
pinaka-importante. The more, the merrier, the more meaningful it is. So, mas bueno kad ka todo gayud, pwede bolbe, pwede partisipa ng mga aktibidades di aton para kita meaningful di aton 25 years together.
That's
Diba?
right. Very good gayot kita,
Yes.
Ali. So, Akel,
Correct.
di aton mga class representatives who are working very hard, no? Especially Akel na di aton mga engagements, na di aton support for our golf course, our golf tournament that is slated on March 30 and 31 also. We thank our batchmates who already sponsored, no? We will give out the names once everything is finalized, but we are also inviting all our batchmates, our fellow Athenians to join on our Golf for a Cause, a tribute to Michael Marquez, our batchmate in Canisius, who's also a golfer, no, on March 30 and 31. Just message us, no, for those who would like to participate in this golf tournament. Just message us in our page, and we will surely get back to you and tell you more about this. So, como ang sinayagad al di
Yes.
aton part del show ara Engineer Tofu.
Amoy agayot, senyor. Makaputok-putok ba agad, no? This is the premiere broadcast, no? And sabi ko, hindi ka anad na mga ansina ba, pero, at least na kita komportable. So, wow, shout out kita, Confrads, Ilaji, nice show, nice host, nice special guest, Madam Gatu, Madam Sylvie Badjo.
Hindi, hindi
Honorable
para,
Christopher Lucky. Bakit man, honorable gaya,
hindi para
senyor.
man madam, kaya hindi kita manghuhula.
Madam kay Mucho Yagan Business Ara o,
Hi,
diba?
senyor. Hi,
Hello also
Mucho.
to Jenny Awichan. You're doing a great job, Chris, hosting the show. Hi, Jen. We so miss you here in the Philippines. Come home. Oh, si Kuya Mark Cabil, great job on this, Tofi and Sylvie. Wow. Si
Thank
Vix
you, Kuya
tamen, di ato si
Mark.
Friendship Kudos to all. May I love you-han na nagaganap ko sa stage.
Oo. Wag na nating sabihin. Baka hindi na
Awag
naman
na natin
makapunta sa
sabihin.
alumni homecoming. Diba?
Si Doc Janina says, great job, Christopher Lucky and Sylvie Jasmine Medjola. With Doc, yan, minalang kita anoche, right, na hospital. Then, online kita minahan tayo sa inyo. You're always welcome. We love you, Kuya Mark Cabil. And si Ma'am Cabil also was one of the best Filipino
Yes,
teachers.
Filipino teacher. We always
Super.
remember.
Yan,
Yes,
favorite ka niya.
that's
So
right.
more power, Engineer Christopher Lackett, Press Sylvie, wow, from Tintin. The batch was
Wow.
inspired by your online conversations, Kuya. Oh yeah, si Kuya Mark Natal na
Yes,
hallway
nag-iila.
sessions.
Yes. Oo, very nice. We
So
are
at least
always
batch
inspired.
1999 siya na version kay Mendel. Coffee with Tofi talk show.
Yes, yes.
Amistad
That's right.
above all.
Amen.
Correct. So,
Amen.
amen. So may pakita ka ba nagdato mga question sales? So, may pakita ka ba?
Oo, kung alas
So
10
as
na
the
daw kita.
recipient, actually 1 hour and 30 minutes sa galikita mo yung
Ay,
sabi. May kasi
oo.
45 minutes na yung projection pero binargo na yung kwento ngayon.
Oo.
So as the recipient the Noble Alfonso Yuchenko Award, how would you inspire others to make a difference in our society now and in the future?
I think more than ever, the young people are very much aware of their missions, no? Meron silang mga passions and they have very large engagements. I understand that the young people today, they are very clear of what they want to do, no? Mas klaro kanila ko sa sila kasi. I think if you do good, no? Do good and you do not step on other people's toes. You always respect people around you and you argue politely and respectfully. You'll never go wrong. Kasi only when you know that you are guided by what is good can you always do what is pleasing in the eyes of God. So I think that is very important for me as a mother, no, and also as a teacher in college, and also as friends to my friends, kung alam natin kung ano yung nakakabuti at ano yung tama, and alam natin na hindi tayo nakakasagasa ng iba, I think we will be on the right track. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, very nice answer as always. You see, kira-kira gadyo puntigo man interview kay ben substantial gayod at siya nagad meaning el kada palabra dito you see. So,
Oo, wala
it's
lang
really
talaga akong engineer, wala lang
correct.
talaga akong basta courage to say mga first crush, first love and all. Amo lang kayo.
Pero otro mga questions pwede man answer do maning-mani lang gani. So, you see, aton mga generation, mga millennials, actually
Oo,
part man ito
no?
mga millennials, no?
Oo,
Generation
daw.
Z, Generation Alpha, so they really get, bits of inspiration from your answer. So, bueno, kaya
Thank
siya kita
you.
interview ang Sina, no?
Thank
So,
you.
atong finale before we go to the fast talk sales. So, sabi yung este question, I already asked you this before. So, I wanna ask this question again para pwede tamin uhil di aton mga vivientes, mga audience di aton. So, you seem to be doing a lot of things in life all at the same time, correct? You are an
Sometimes I try.
educator, a business owner, a mother, a wife, our batch president, and literally the babaeng walang pahinga.
Hi,
So
thank you for
here's our
holidays.
million-dollar question. What superpowers do you have?
I don't have superpowers. I pray. I
I
pray.
was, so that's your power. Yeah.
I pray.
So,
Um,
well,
if
simple
not,
answer.
if not, if not for that, I don't know how I will survive. Um, it's not always heyday kasi engineer to. It's not always happy day. And sometimes it's really tough. But you
Mhm.
just, hindi ka lang talagang pwedeng sumuko. Kasi if sumuko ka, there are employees, there's family, there is organizations such as ours. Hindi lang talaga pwede. So I pray. My only helpline every single day. Hindi talaga to about me able to do a lot of things. It's actually the Lord help, no, the Lord granting you all the graces to be able to wake up each day. Kasi, I've been through really, really tough moments. I am into tough moments every single day, especially with a lot of things, no. But Teresa gat yung amo lang gad si Dimyo.
Perseverance and let's
Amo
say,
lang gad si. Amo lang gad.
prayers do really help. Remember, I'm sorry guys because I was late in the show. I was supposed to be early in the show. However, ay nako, El Nino tablet, yung ulbidaga dyan sa somewhere na public, I had to go back. Oh my goodness. So
That's
travel time twice, guys. Sylvie knows about it because I called her. I was really praying hard. Please, ang Lord, give me tablet. No makalperde. I don't know, kaya siguro makalimutin na siguro by age, right?
mm,
So, when I took out the cover of my car, yung pwede diha ka sa LD yung tablet somewhere else lang sina. So no yung pwede sabi, tan travel yung tablet talya syempre. So I had to go back. So may tuyan prayer denante. So I told God, please give me this. Sabi me do miracles. Sabi ko nila, oh hala, talya pa intakto. So talya lang gada ere. So you see, I told you, siya na
amen.
gayon, miracle and prayer. So amen to that.
Correct, correct, correct.
So,
No.
we're actually done with the interview, pero tiyan kita fast talk. So, let's
Ah!
get the ball rolling to our fast talk. Quick question, quick answer. So, este fast talk
Yes.
di ato, hindi na sa related na high school life kasi random lang sa mga questions, right? Pero before that, let's go back to our comment section. Uy, ay tang congrats naman sila. Nagsaba sila takabay di aton di aton show. May pakaba
Dur
natin show, diba?
Dormía daw el mga viejo-vieja. Dormía ba?
It's 10:28 to be exact. So,
Dormía
wow,
daw.
care to say, more than 1 hour at Tita Sales, right? More than 1 hour and
Amo,
30 minutes.
amo.
So it's not your age, Christopher. You're just preoccupied. Wow, thank you, Gatin. Because of that, siya nagatumag conmigo.
Oo,
Yeah, instead of
ansina gayotin.
talking with Toki,
Ansina
kaya
gayotin.
ansina kayo. Yeah.
Mm.
Actually, man-send jayo ken LD to you, mag. And also,
Yay!
kag di aton mga prospect na guest na di aton show, man-expect o sa
Yes.
siya sa regalo kumigo. Maybe later on, I'll add siguro ball pen at siya print this name anya para mas social, di ba? Nice.
Correct.
So, again, let's get the ball rolling ya gayod,
Okay.
sales na di aton fast
Okay.
talk.
Okay.
Quick question, quick answer lang ha. Sales,
Okay.
if you had 1 year and unlimited funds, what would you do?
Make a foundation.
Perfect. The Pope is having dinner at your place. What would you cook for him?
Sinigang na baboy.
Akagadon. Of the very answer. Okay, good. So name a person you would like to see as the president of the Philippines.
Lenny Robredo.
Wow. If you could be a superheroine for a day, who would you be?
Mommy the Incredibles.
Uy, perfect man. What's the worst thing you did for love? Taliyata min love, yata min kita.
Create a dinner outside our house.
Okay. So what is the biggest misconception about you?
Nasaan tayo?
So hindi to Santa. Well, hindi
No.
yeah. What makes you happy, Sils?
Family.
Perfect answer. If you were a fictional character, who would you be?
Um, ah, Fictional character, Athena.
Athena, okay. Who is your personal hero?
My grandmother.
Perfect. If you were to confess only one sin to God, what would it be?
Impatience.
If you have to eliminate one emotion in your life, what would it be?
Procrastination.
TikTok, perfect. What food is always found in your fridge?
Butter.
Butter. Milk or water?
Water.
Okay, water. So, okay. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Books or magazines?
Books.
Give or receive?
Give.
Perfect manggad si Eli. Oh, what would you want to hear from your guardian angel right now?
You'll be okay.
If you could talk with anyone living or deceased, whom would it be?
My uncle who's already in heaven.
Okay. How do you see yourself 10 years from now, Sales?
Still teaching happily
Perfect. So what makes you unique?
because I am jagged, scarred, and ruined.
Wow, grabe man, ben deep manggad care. Kung pakilakil ulit? Because I am,
Jagged,
what?
jagged, scarred, and ruined.
Okay. I like that answer. So in one word, how would you define Sylvie Jasmine Banjola Agravante?
Service.
Service. So that actually wraps up our... Ay, chinapagali kita. Ay,
Who's
chinapaba?
a sis?
And that actually wraps up our premiere episode, Yagad Sales. Ang
Thank
maganda ka
you
last
very
question
much.
din niya na fast talk. So
Grabe,
my
pensaba yung
goodness.
easy lang, este. My
Ay,
God,
senyor.
hindi
Mas lalo
galing.
ya yun, no? Senyor. So finally, yakabegal di aton first episode del Coffee with Tofi. May tuagwaya lang steak. Yakabayal
Yay!
kape.
Ipopok
Thank
pa
you,
siya
Madam
ako.
President Sylvie, for gracing the show.
Thank
So
you
would
very
also like to
much.
thank, yes, would also like to thank some of our sponsors and
Yes.
personalities for pampering me and for making this show possible. So number one, thank you to Koreana Look Beauty Clinic, KCC branch, by Miss Mary Ann Telmo
Hi,
Canals
Boss
for my
Babe.
facial and skincare, Diyos ko Lord. Fave Con Signature Hydro Facial niya and Luxury Body Ritual Scrub, right?
Wow.
Alagang Koreana yan. Of course,
Okay.
thank you also to Espresso Nails Patalon-Talon Branch by Miss Sylvie Banjola Agravante. Hi, Sylvie, ito yung sa branch for my bi-monthly hand, toe, and nail care. O, di ba? Oh, how I
Dibergat
love the
sa'yo.
progress.
Bi-monthly, ha?
Yes, kung sa mandadandal niya. So double thanks also for the free glutathione drip sales. So napaka-social, o, di ba? And of course, thank you to Win Bubble Tea Cafe. Na
Yeah,
takiga
thank
dyan
you.
na Win Bubble Tea Cafe for na diila hazelnut latte para na aton show. Si
Yes.
Sylvie pati iyo siya nagad ang sina, no? So gracias
Yes.
God. And for the sumptuous dinner earlier, gracias gayon. Elwin Bubble Tea Cafe pala is located at San Jose, Kawa-Kawa, this city. So thumbs up kung Ma'am Sheena and kung Sir Ryan. Such a
Yes.
fave.
Yeah.
Siyempre pa,
And then,
my Magis 99 batchmates, muchísimas gracias for the absolute support. Of course, I want to say thank you also to my, sabihin natin, a friend of mine who is here with me. Supportive gayon. Si Miss Rona Fernandez talya. Oh, I can see her.
yay!
Very,
Thank
very silent
you.
all time. Tagi lang gatabi ako dito. My dear friend for the prep support tonight. So to our audience also, thank you for making Coffee with Tofi a part of your evening. See you again in our next episode where we will discuss the three phases of love. One, the love between batchmates towards a happy ever after. Number two, the love the second time around. And number three, and three, the LGBTQIA plus love in the rainbow. Diba? Ben bonito di aton, mga topics. Just perfect for the Feb Ibig season, right? Very interesting
Wow.
discussion it will surely be with more guests in our next episode. Muchísimas gracias a todos. Desde el profundo del mio corazón. This has been Tofi at your service. Now signing off.